What's up, y'all?
What's up,
What's up, CJ? Turn that TV off right quick. Listen up, fellas. Like we were saying, no more base in the streets.
Finally.
Peep this. We're gonna unite the families once more because the ball has been pumping our guys full of base for too long while we argue amongst ourselves. So all the family sets gonna meet down at the Jefferson Motel. I say it's time we went down there and made it official. Keep that shit off our streets. I vote I'm our representative on this one.
That's right.
Hey, it's all good. If Sweet think he can handle it, I'm down with him, man.
All right, let's roll, homies.
Let's do this.
Yeah, let's go, man.
Say, CJ, you gonna crash the car again?
Fuck you, Ryder.
Ryder, give CJ a break, man. He's practically turned the Grove around by himself.
Man, I was just telling a joke on the little nigga.
Everything you do is a joke, Ryder.
That ain't true.
Ryder, just chill the fuck out, man.
Remember, we're reuniting the family, so no bullshit. Stay cool.
You know me, Sweet. Cool as a Shaolin monk.
Especially you, Ryder.
What you mean? I resent your implication and shit.
Sweet's just saying you're a natural killer, man.
Okay, it's strictly 1 rep per set. You guys gonna have to wait here.
We'll be there just in case, bruh.
Thanks, homie, but I'm down with these boys.
I don't like this, man. Look at all them other family hoods. They used to be Grove Streets.
Relax. We straight, they straight. How about you, Smoke?
Hey, I'm feeling a little exposed, but I'm good.
This is the Los Santos Police Department. Everybody stay where you are.
Oh, shit!
All units, rock and roll!
Man, what you doing?
Carl, get back in, man. We out of here, baby.
I ain't leaving my brother. I ain't no buster.
Man, it's every motherfucker for himself.
Where the OGs at? I gotta get my brother Sweet.
They were meeting in the back of the motel someplace.
Go, go, go!
Families, cops coming in from behind.
Get into position!
You won't be needing this now.
Get some suppressing fire in there!
What did you expect from America? Ain't that a surprise?
Unit down, repeat, unit down! Give me some fucking covering fire!
You don't need this no more.
What took you? We're smoking Ryder.
They shook on us.
Fuck it, let's get out of here.
This is the Los Santos Police Department. Stay where you are.
CJ, that chopper's all over us. Hit it! CJ, jump on that helicopter!
This is Buzzard 1. We are taking ground fire.
CJ, that chopper's all over us. Hit it!
Fuck constitutional right.
Oh, Come on, CJ, let's go.
Don't push me. Ah, shit, what now?
It's Smoke and Ryder.
Get in!
Hit the gas. Hey, man, I'm running low.
I got a K here.
Just fucking antique.
Yeah, well, it ain't the Pentagon.
You got it on Emmett? Shit.
CJ, cover the rear! Man, it's got smoke, you see that?
Damn, that was close.
Man, it's getting intense. It's getting worse out here. It's like World War VIII. Hey, CJ, watch to the left.
Your left or my left?
Hell, I don't know. Just shoot everybody, motherfucker.
4 bangers in blue corridor heading back into South Central.
Trouble up ahead! Call, they all over our ass, baby!
CJ, watch our right.
Made some good donuts. Let's roll.
Eyes front, CJ!
Surprise, homeboy!
Holy shit, look at that.
Now we should have stayed home and watched the fucking game. Call behind us! Behind us! Put up your window!
Smoke, what the fuck are you doing?
Damn it, Smoke, I got soap in my eyes. Smoke, you're insane.
I like things clean! Hey, CJ, watch to the left!
Hey, ain't we been here before?
Hey, I'm taking what options I have, alright? Maybe if you have a nice word with these officers, they'll let us on our way.
Heads up, brother!
Hey, man, there's an idiot hanging off the back of the car. Somebody shoot him. Oh, shit! All I got in my rear view is bad guys. CJ, cover the rear! Oh, shit! Roadblock up ahead!
The K's jammed.
Fuck it, I'm going through.
CJ, we got the ghetto bird up here.
This is LSPD. Do not. Hey, what the fuck? Too low. You'll kill us all.
Back up, Smoke, back up.
Hell no, I'm going through. Oh, man, we gonna die.
Oh, shit.
Slow down, Smoke, slow down.
Oh, shit, the brakes is out. Shit, that's gonna be a hell of a story to tell when we passing the blunt.
Damn, that was some serious shit. Woo!
Fuck this. We gotta get out of here.
Ryder's right. Everybody split up, we'll meet up later.